Hello everyone, it's 25th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. The first news we have, floodplains get fattened to construct Chhat Ghats. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have panel to begin inquiry into Leh violence today. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have in Delhi police reshuffle, government restores after 5 years, unified command structure for traffic management. Very important for traffic perspective and polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have activists seek centers help to check leakate discharge into Aravalis. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have fresh low pressure area may turn into a cyclone for Tamil Nadu. Very important for environment perspective again. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says, respect the health rights of India's children. Again, very important for society as well as health perspective. Moving forward, we have the mirage of port-led development in Great Nicobar. Again, very important news. Then we have sanctioning Russia. Trump is seeking to bring Putin to talks by breaking his strategic will. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have trouble in soy state. Madhya Pradesh is India's largest soybean producer, but young farmers are losing interest in farming. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have Prime Minister will lead parade on 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Very important again. Then we have Assam to table report on 1983 massacre in Assembly. Again, very important. Then we have victims and preparators of terrorism cannot be equated, says Jai Shankar. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Gyan Bharatiya Mission to ink pact with institutes. Again, very important news for education perspective. Then we have RBI may limit banks market exposure. Very important for economy perspective. Then we have GST staff must rely on tech, not burden taxpayers, says Finance Minister. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have 8 TTP militants killed, 5 injured in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Japan's new Prime Minister commits to higher defense spend ties with India and Quad. Then we have India opposed to any move that may affect truce in Gaza. And lastly, we have Trump axes Canada trade talks over fake ad featuring Reagan. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.